this video we are gonna do something different. It's about transition.
Okay, so for this video you are gonna need a video editor like CuteCut. You can also use KineMaster. Let's see how the original video is. So this video was composed of three videos, and that's not really important because you can use as many as you want, but you should remember correcting. So for this we are going to use two just to teach you. When you learn how to do this, you can apply this to as many videos you want. So let's go and open CuteCut. Okay, so open CuteCut and import the video. So I imported the two videos. So in CuteCut you have to place the first video in the second layer. I don't know why they made it like this, but you know, it works like this. You know, it should be opposite. The first one should be on the top layer and the second one should be on the bottom, but as long as they want it like this, so we have to follow their rules. Okay, so make the opacity of the first layer you know, less, so we can see what's happening on the bottom layer, okay, which is on the top. Okay, so make a custom transition and take the transition to the part where you think that your constant level you know, of movement has finished. So I will place it right here. Okay, now if you watch it, we can see that it's pretty good, but you know, at last we have slowed down, so we can add another custom transition, but this time we are going to make this a faster one since I pushed it with more force. So yeah, so I have to just adjust the timing that it looks good. Okay, you know, this can be sometimes really hard because you will find it really difficult to match it with your hands. You can also see that it's not really matching it with my hands, but still you can get the idea. So in that way we can save time, because this actually takes so much time, and there's now something like motion tracking or something in the, you know, mobile phone editors. So now we can change the opacity in all the transitions to 100. Okay, yeah, this one too. You know, that's a difficult job if you have too many transitions, but you also have to change, you know, your main opacity. So you can see, yeah, this is pretty much all the things that you do for this kind of effect, pushing the screen. So make sure to follow me on Instagram, which is Aftab_Afridi. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.